Welcome class, it's me Ekta. In this lesson you will learn to do the following, like you can define simple, compound and complex sentences and also identify the simple, compound and complex sentences from the given sentences. Firstly, I would like to tell a story to understand them. One day at the fair, Rohan meets with his friend. He is glad to see Sid, but Sid does not look very happy. Then Rahul asked him, Sid, you have come to the fair as well, but why are you looking so glum? Then Sid replied, I got a map of fair, but I cannot find the food stall. Rohan noticed that Sid is using compound sentence, but Sid does not know about the compound sentence. So Rahul decided to tell him the simple, compound and complex sentences. Let's see what are these means. Look at here. Sentence can be constructed in three ways, like simple, compound and complex sentence. Let's see the what is the simple sentence. A simple sentence expresses a single complete thought. It's mean which sentences give you a complete thought, that is simple sentence. Look at the example. That tree is huge. Second point, a simple sentence contains only one finite verb, and in this sentence is finite verb which is limited by person, which is limited by number through the tense. And a simple sentence can also be identified on the basis of subject and predicate. It means one sentence include one subject and one predicate. Let us the next. Look at the example. This tree is black. It's mean this tree is in this sentence what? Subject, and is black is predicate. Understood? Now come to the next topic. Compound sentence. A compound sentence consists of two or more coordinate clauses. It means these clauses are independent clauses. These clauses are independent clauses. They show two thoughts that are connected to each other. They are equally important and connected complete meaning or sense by themselves. Now I want to clear that these can be through the example. I got the map. Who said? Sid said to him. I got the map of the fair, but I cannot find the food stall. It's mean in this sentence clause 1 is I got the map of the fair, and the second clause is I cannot find the food stall. And one thing more, the clause is a compound sentence are joined using which conjunction, coordinating conjunction such as and, but, or, so. Firstly, I want to clear that this conjunction what can be used in following ways, like the conjunction and is used to connect similar ideas, and conjunction but for opposite ideas, and conjunction or connect is used to connect equally important choice, and conjunction so for equally important result or used for a continuation of an idea. Look at the example. She completed her homework and she also worked on her project. In this sentence, which conjunction is used here? And. The road is long, but I shall travel it. In this sentence, but. This novel is huge, so you must make time to read it. Is that clear? Come to the next point, which is complex sentence. A complex sentence has only one independent clause and one or more dependent clause. Listen carefully. Dependent clause, also known as the subordinate clause, and independent clause, also known as the principal clause. Let's look at the example. When he heard the news, he was astonished. In this sentence, principal clause is he was astonished, and the subordinate clause is when he heard the news. The subordinate clause often begin with words like what that words, although, as if, before, after, because, though, even, while, when, whenever, during, as soon as long as, until, unless, since, where, and wherever. As we know, the subordinate clause cannot stand on its own. It derives its meaning from the principal clause. Let us look at some more examples: simple, compound, and complex sentence. First example, the road is very dusty. It is simple. How? Because it gives you complete thought. Second, it was raining that day and there was also lightning. It is compound. As I told you, compound sentence join connected with which conjunction? Co-ordinating conjunction, and it is connected with and. Before she reached her house, they set up a birthday party. It is complex. As I told you, there is given what word? Before. And they are independent clauses. Mahesh is eating cake. It gives you full meaning, full thought, where is as one subject and one predicate. It means it is simple sentence. Clear that? Thank you.